Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about Happy Mammoth products. Okay, so you should purchase or not, and what are the negative points and what are the positive points about this platform. So let's get started. So my dear friends, first of all I want to inform you they have two different kinds of domains. You can see on your screen, this is the domain of Happy Mammoth, happymammothes.shop. This is only a 2-month old domain, and they have their one more domain, that is like happymammothes.com. This is approx like 13 years from now. That means this happymammothes.shop is a newly launched domain, so you cannot trust on this domain because there is no such kind of verification available that this is the official, you can say like this is the official domain. Okay, but this is the domain which is available on 13 years from now. It means this is a legit domain. Okay, and this is a legit platform, and when we check the information we find that they have a huge number of followers on Instagram, like 4 lakh followers on Instagram, and you can say LinkedIn. They are also available on LinkedIn. In presence of internet, they are, you can say, available on internet very genuine way. Okay, so this is a good point, or you can say positive point. Now come to the second point. The second point, product. Okay, the product they are selling, they have fat burner, and they have bloat banisher, and they have like glutamine and all. So they are selling like health related supplements, and all the supplements are very costly. If you have so much money, then you can try, otherwise you can choose some alternates. Okay, but if we talk about another positive point, that is they are also available on amazon.com. On amazon.com you can also see they are also providing their product on Amazon. So it means the product is really, you can say legit, and all product are available on internet very easily. So it means the product is really good. Okay, now come to the points like results and all. So my dear friends, results are depend on person to person. So without using product you cannot say this is a bad product or this is a good product. But in terms of, you can say, legit or scam, this is a totally, you can say legit product, and you can purchase your product. If you really want to try, then you can try it, and you can share your experience in our comment section. But keep in mind, you can say purchase this product only on their official website, like this website happymammoth.com, or you can purchase the product on amazon.com. Okay, but if you don't have so much money, you can go with some alternates on Amazon. You can search the same product on amazon.com, you will get the same product on half price. Okay, so this is the information. Now you can make your own decision what you have to do, but keep in mind, purchase only on official websites. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. If you have any experience, please share your experience in our comment section. Bye bye.